Welcome to my channel, folks. It's Nekolassa, and I did tell you last week before I left to go to Buffalo that when I returned, I was going to have a few items to share with you for my birthday. This is not necessarily for my birthday because I had sent this into Louis Vuitton back in November. I bought it from Poshmark for $200. I went ahead and do what I do and sent it into Louis Vuitton to repair. Let me back up. Before I did that, my goal was to have this and use the mesh interior for it. And look at that. Before I sent it to Louis, that's what I was going to do. And then I just said, you know what, let me reach out and find out how much it is to repair it. And depending on that, will determine whether I just put the inside liner in or get it fixed. So when they came back with the quote of $150 for this, I decided, you know what, let's just get it fixed because I'd rather it be fixed. Now, it used to take a short amount of time, 8 weeks or so. Now it's taking months. So as you heard me say, I dropped this off in November. I am just now getting it back in June, but it happens to be coming back a few days before my birthday, which is Friday. So happy birthday to me. Okay. So as you can see, I love how they just package things and how they and I did not buy this originally from Louis Vuitton. So, and I'm still getting the regular stuff that you would get if you purchased directly from Louis Vuitton. So inside here is just going to be my receipt. And also, they did ask me, was I satisfied with the services and all that good stuff? And I'm like, yeah, I know things are going on with COVID and stuff like that. And so there are things we can't prevent. Here's what I'm going to tell you. I love getting these pieces. Look at you guys. Look at you guys. Okay. I do have the Trousse 18. Okay. This is the Trousse 23. And then there's another one, I believe, that is 28. So each of those increments are 5 increments. Look at her. She was fully replaced on the interior. I do have a card here. I'm going to see what that says. The interior was sticky. All right. There's the stamp, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And she was peeling on the interior. This is called Ventonite. It is a wipeable material, and if you know anything about the Trousse pieces, you will know that they are for travel, and I love them. I got the zipper replaced as well, so there you go. My goal in carrying this on a daily basis is in my work bag because I don't want to carry a purse. So my goal was to carry this inside my work bag, although I already have the 18. It serves to be a little too small sometimes for me for work purposes, because what I want, because I don't carry a purse to work, is I want to carry my wallet, my zippy wallet in here, and then put, not makeup, I want to put all the rest of my stuff in here that I need for work, like badges or what have you. This is so stinking pretty. And I guess if I had to wait, folks, I had to wait. You know what I mean? So as you know, new Louis Vuitton does not have a date code. Everything is microchipped. So my item is more than likely microchipped. I paid $200 for this from Poshmark. Other than the interior, this thing was in immaculate condition. I'm going to go ahead. I really had meant to listen to that zipper. Listen. I like listening to my videos at night because I like listening to myself, and especially Louis Vuitton. I'm going to go grab my Trousse 18. Give me 1 second. Okay, hold on. I'm going to grab it. So my Trousse 18 is from the 80s though, and as you can see, it's a little different than Look at, ooh, look at that beauty. I've done a video on this before, so I'm not going to get into it right now. But as you can see, canvas is a little different. I want to say, I can't remember when this one was from. I'll go back and grab my pictures and then I'll put it down in the description. You can see the eclair zipper on this one. This is from the 80s. In fact, this one does not have a date code. And I know people are going to comment and say, oh, open up the flap. I'm telling you, it doesn't have a date code. I know for certain it does not. It just has the little Louis Vuitton tag right here. Okay. So Louis Vuitton Paris, right? And I know that this one is authentic. So anyway, my point is, and as you can see, I got my son's EpiPen. I've got some stuff for work, my mirror, and I don't really wear a lot of makeup. So it's just like my shea butter down there, my alcohol spray, and some lip gloss and some Kleenex and girly stuff. I also have my Louis Vuitton perfumes samples because I like wearing these on vacation or if I'm like, you know, re-upping during the day, so to speak. Okay, so anyway, as you can see, this one is the Trousse 18. You cannot get the Trousse today. So if you want the Trousse, it's going to be something that you buy pre-loved. And so that's why I wanted this. And also, to be honest with you, I don't like anything new Louis Vuitton. I want vintage, and I want it in good condition. So if I could buy it and get it fixed, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know that I'm going to be doing the service anytime soon, just because 6 months is kind of drives me nuts. I mean, I think it just does. But guys, I can't complain. If you can wait, it's like, do it, okay? Do it. Look at that. At any rate, please like and subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see me do. The very next thing that I'm going to have for you, let me think about this for a second. Oh, my Congo is at Louis Vuitton getting fixed, and I hope to goodness that they are going to call me soon for my Congo. It's my crossbody messenger. It's really for a guy, but I bought it and I want to carry it this summer if they ever give it back to me. You guys rock. Let's see what Louis Vuitton says. Hold on. And you know what? They sent me a card. I am so done. It says, "Dear Nicole, it's been a pleasure to repair your beautiful Trousse. May this bag continue to bring you great memories." Oh, and it's handwritten, you guys. I thought that was such a great touch. Okay. You got it. Awesome, awesome. All right, what a great birthday present for myself. All right, you guys, have a great night. I appreciate you.